Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by examining the hole so you know how the fabric behaves. This determines stitch choice and thread tension. Once you trim frayed threads, press a small piece of lightweight stabilizer behind the hole to stop further tearing. Thread a needle with matching thread at doubled strength if fabric is weak, not the end, and take a hidden anchor stitch just outside the damaged area to secure your starting point before the repair. Now rebuild the structure by stitching from one side to the other. You want stitches that realign the weave rather than bunch it. Use small ladder or whip stitches, spacing them evenly to distribute stress, and pull just enough to close the gap without puckering. Make a few reinforcing back stitches at each end to lock the repair, and if fabric sees heavy wear, run a shallow zigzag over the repair for extra strength while keeping the surface. To finish, hide your final knot inside a nearby seam or under the stabilizer and trim the thread close. Press the area with the correct iron setting to relax tension and flatten stitches, and then gently test the repair by stretching along the fabric grain to ensure durability. If you see puckering or recurring holes, reopen the worst stitches, insert a thinner or more flexible stabilizer, adjust stitch tension, and restitch to balance support versus flexibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.